you to the Coco Show, the entertaining Coco Show. Only on YouTube. Now here's your host, the one and only Coco.
Hi everyone, Channel 12 here, and I'm going to be going outside to show you guys the weather outside, but I'm here to make a video telling you guys that I'm currently working on a promotional video, so you guys will be able to see that in a few days. Let's turn on the light for nothing. And also, you guys probably have noticed on my channel that I have redesigned the whole channel, put a new description of the channel, and other things like that. I've really re-edited the whole thing. And today in Chatham, it's gorgeous. It's not even cold outside. It's not even cold, and then I'll be doing a video on the Coco Show DVD season maybe 3 or 4 very shortly, so you guys will be able to really know when to purchase these videos or DVDs, and when I will be able to send them to you guys. There also will be a Coco's Cooking Show DVD Season 1 available to be purchased very shortly as well. It's very windy today. You guys can see, like, it's really, really windy. And also, I want you guys to all go check out my website. It's thecocoshow.weebly.com, and also there's the cocoshow.webs.com also. These are two of my main websites. I'll probably be making a blog, actually a blog site, where I can actually make a blog, you know, write down what I've been doing. So yeah, I just thought I would make a video, since I haven't really made a video in a while on Mr. Channel 12 channel. I think I made one a few days ago, so you guys will all be fully updated on stuff, including the Channel 12 channel. So I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace out.